In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change contact details in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your invoices, bills, and reports always use the correct information. We'll keep it simple and focus on making a quick, accurate update to an existing contact. First, go to Xero and sign in as you normally would. You'll land on your Xero dashboard. Take a second to confirm you're in the right organization if you have access to more than one. That way, the updates apply to the correct set of contacts. Having this context right up front saves confusion later, especially if you manage multiple businesses. Next, click on Contacts. You'll find this in the main navigation. This area is your central place to manage both customers and suppliers, so any changes you make here will carry through to future transactions that use this contact. Now, select all contacts. This opens the full list so you can see everyone in one view. If you have a lot of records, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the name you're looking for, or skim by company name. You can also sort the list to bring likely matches to the top, which helps when you're updating several contacts in a row. Choose the contact you want and click the three dots on the same line. That three-dot menu is the overflow menu where Xero keeps extra actions for each contact. If your window is narrow, the menu might be tucked to the right. Scroll horizontally or widen your browser if you don't see it immediately. From that menu, click Edit and make your adjustments. This is where you can update the organization or individual's name, the primary contact person, email address, phone number, and postal or physical address. If you use defaults for sales or purchases, ensure those details reflect how you transact with this contact so new invoices or bills pick up the right email and address automatically. Keep email addresses current to avoid bounced invoices, and double-check that phone numbers include the correct country or area code if you work across regions. For addresses, match the format your customers or suppliers prefer to keep documents looking professional. If you maintain reference numbers or notes for internal use, align them with your team's conventions for easy searching later. That's it. You've navigated to Contacts, opened all contacts, used the three dots to access options, and edited the details you needed. Review your changes, and you're ready to move on with your day.